guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make quality coffee with just a single touch.
Start by filling the hopper with freshly roasted coffee beans from beans to coffee. With just one touch, you can select your preferred brew, and this buddy takes care of the rest. In no time, you'll have a perfectly brewed cup of coffee right in the comfort of your home or office without the hassle.
So why wait? Indulge in the ultimate coffee experience and contact us for rental plans.